Keep lantern of hope in the darkness of despair. This is also a lesson of life. Rainbow of your life has not only 7 colors, but it has 1,000 colors. The kite of your life is in your hands. Only you can control it. So don't worry and look the direction of the air. There are many doors in front of you. You can choose only one which is better for you. O human beings, smile, smile and only smile because it is very essential for your life. Like a triangle, our life has three major events. Number one is birth, number two is marriage, and number three is death. Keep your thinking like fresh and clean water. Cleanliness is the half faith of human life. Small changes make big changes. Small bricks make biggest buildings. Our life is like a book, and its every page describes our emotions and feelings. Happiness is the positive aspect of life. Adopt the way of happiness in your daily life. Please like and share the video, subscribe the channel and tell your opinions in comments. In the end, thanks for watching the video.